Hello, African family. Hope you guys are good. I get this question a lot of times, especially from my Ugandan friends who have Nigerian friends. And they say, Karim, do Nigerians need visas to come to Uganda? Yes, they need a visa to come to Uganda. So most of the people need visas to come to Uganda. So if you have any friends like Nigerians or Pakistanis or Indians or wherever country they are from and they want to visit Uganda, you can come to us for Ugandan visas. Yes, we do Ugandan visit visas. For other nationalities, then Kenyan visit visas, then also Ethiopian visit visas. You're in Ethiopia and your friends want to visit you in Ethiopia, we also do that. Then we also do East African visas. The East African visa includes Uganda, Kenya, and Rwanda. So these three countries will be included in the East African visa. For example, your friend is coming on the East African tour. We'll get them an East African visa. It will be for 3 months. The stay will also be for 3 months, and they can move around in these three countries like within 3 months multiple times, so multiple entry visa. So for any of those type of visas, you're welcome to WhatsApp us or you can come to our Ugandan office. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace, and as always, God bless Africa. One love.